So hey guys, it's day 4, King of the Hammers, and today is the first day of racing. It's the UTV race. They start at 8 o'clock in the morning Pacific time. I think what we're going to do is go walk around Hammertown and just check out some of the vendors. They do have quite a few vendors. I'd like to see some of this stuff, so I'll get some good video. This morning is tech inspection also for the Everyman Challenge, so we'll see some of those cars getting looked at. So should be a good time. Stick around and hope you like what you see. See you out on the trail.
Outside, he tends to, as soon as I said, around the outside, making a pass.
All right, guys, it is Thursday, the 9th of February. And today we spent some time looking at tech inspection for the Everyman Challenge, and we're finishing the day with a little meal at camp. So let's go check out what they're eating. Oh, look. They're all getting their bellies full. see what Shane's got.
Huh?
What you got? You don't know? That looks like some pulled pork sliders.
I got a little everything.
With some coleslaw on it. What do you think?
And I added the other dip.
The other dip.
Yep.
What was it?
What's that other dip, Sandy? There's coleslaw
Cheese, pecans,
and that. Oh yeah.
cream cheese.
Cream
Jalapenos.
cheese.
I got all of it.
Jalapenos. Is it any good? Is the best part the pork?
The best part of the pork.
Well, yep.
So you decided to put yours on a hamburger bun.
Uh-huh.
Because it's so good, you wanted to get, you know, the most for your money.
They're pretty good.
Yeah. Oh,
What
I,
are you?
I know it's
What
good.
are you?
Just a little love, Trevor.
Most for my money.
See,
Just a
I went
little
pulled pork tacos.
Pulled pork.
They're mini
That's
tacos.
different. That's different. But
Card free.
look, somebody left the plate. Oh, somebody left the plate off the pulled pork. The dang heathens. Look. Pulled pork cooked in beer in a crock pot. It was pretty good. I think I'm gonna have me a Hawaiian King's Hawaiian roll. Good dinner. All right, friends, it is day 5 at King of the Hammers. Friday Everyman Challenge, and it is ridiculous here. So we decided we're gonna pack up and get out of here. So let me give you some perspective. They estimate over 80,000 campers out here, and I just thought it was busy when we got here. No, it is crazy busy now. They sold over 212,000 tickets to get into this this event. So we've been here, we've wheeled it, we've seen quite a bit. It's an awesome place if you ever get a chance, but we're out of here. See you on the road.
I think it's a really good move by Davey. I've been watching very, very closely tonight's game. He's charging through those early back halves, not back halves. They're charging past those other class